Good morning, children. In our last class, we have done word meanings and question answer. Today, we will do question number 2 of back exercise. So, let us do. Question number 2 is identify the speaker of the given lines. कि ये lines किसने बोली है इस chapter में. A part is come here Swami. You are looking so weak, dear. Are you not eating and sleeping well? Who said these lines? Swami's mother said these lines. Swami's mother. Swami's mother. Right? Next is B part. You are going to have a brother Swami. Who said this line? Swami's grandmother. Swami's grandmother. Next C part is I tell you his face is awful and red like a chili. Speaker of this line is Swami. Swami has explained look about his younger brother to his friend P. D part is these things grow up soon. This line is spoken by P to Swami. So P said this line, right? First is come here Swami. You are looking so weak, dear. Are you not eating and sleeping well? Swami's mother said these lines. Second, you are going to have a brother Swami. Its speaker is Swami's grandmother. Next C part, I tell you, his face is awful and red like a chili. Swami said this line to P. We have to identify only speaker. D is these things grow up soon. P said this line to Swami, right? Next, page number 40. Question number 3 is choose the correct answer from the options given. First is mother had been abed for 2 days. We have 3 options. First is she was running high fever. Second, she was very old and sick. Third, she was expecting a baby. Question is कि मदर 2 days से बेड पर थी. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको फीवर हुआ था. सेकेंड ऑप्शन क्योंकि वो ओल्ड हो चुकी थी और सिक थी. थर्ड क्योंकि बेबी एक्सपेक्टेशन के लिए वो बेड पर थी. सो थर्ड इज द राइट ऑप्शन. शी वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग अ बेबी. B is Swaminathan had a fitful night. First is he found the granny's bed too uncomfortable. Second, there was too much excitement around the house. Third, he had not prepared his lesson well for the next day. स्वामी की नाइट फिटफुल क्यों थी? क्यों इरिटेट हो रहा था स्वामी? बिकॉज देयर वॉज टू मच एक्साइटमेंट अराउंड द हाउस. सो second option is the correct option. C. No one troubled to answer Granny's questions. First is she was old and often ignored. Second, she was asking irrelevant questions which irritated others. Third, everybody was busy and had specific duties to attend. ग्रैनी के क्वेश्चन के आंसर कोई क्यों नहीं दे रहा था? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन क्योंकि वो ओल्ड थी और सभी उसको इग्नोर करते थे. सेकंड क्योंकि वो ऐसे इररेलेवेंट मीन्स बिना किसी लॉजिक के क्वेश्चन पुट करती थी जो सबको इरिटेट करते थे. थर्ड क्योंकि सभी बिजी थे और कुछ उनको दी गई ड्यूटीज को प्ले कर रहे थे. सो ऑप्शन थर्ड इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Everybody was busy and had specific duties to attend. Option third is correct option. Fourth, D part. Swami could eventually fall asleep. First is the lights were switched off. Second, Granny's presence nearby was reassuring. Third, he found Granny's bed far too comfortable than his own. स्वामी वहाँ पे क्यों सो सकता था? Because Granny's presence nearby was reassuring. Second is the correct answer. E is the guide in the lesson refers to. इसमें guide कौन था lesson में? First is the lady doctor. Second is Swami's father. Third is Swami's father. Third is the teacher teaching in the class. Who was the guide in the lesson? The guide was the teacher teaching in the class. So option third is the correct option. Clear? I'm repeating. First is mother had been abed for 2 days because she was expecting a baby. Second, Swaminathan had a fitful night as there was too much excitement around the house. Third, no one troubled to answer Granny's questions because everybody was busy and had specific duties to attend. D. Swami could eventually fall asleep as Granny's presence nearby was reassuring. E. The guide in the lesson refers to the teacher teaching in the class. Next, open your books on page number 43. Test your grammar. First is give the noun forms of the following verbs. For example, prepare का preparation, arrive का arrival, ARRIVAL arrival, enthusiasm, 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 SIAM, enthusiasm. Recognize, recognition, recognition. RECOGNITION, recognition. Converse, conversion. CONVERSION, conversion. Appear, appearance. APPEARANCE, appearance. Arrive, noun of arrive is arrival. Noun of enthuse is enthusiasm. Noun of recognize is recognition. Noun of converse is conversion. Noun of appear is appearance, right? Next, question number 2. Pick up adjectives from the lesson to describe the following. Subject is given and you have to write adjectives. First is mother's appearance. Means कि इस चैप्टर में मदर की अपीयरेंस कैसे थी. As we have already read, mother was looking pale, dirty and disheveled means untidy. Mother's presence, pale, disheveled and disheveled. Second, Tamil Pandit. Appearance of Tamil Pandit was unshaven and enthusiastic person. New arrival was looking like a red chilli having plump hands. New arrival is looking like red chilli, folded hand on his chest tilting his head again and again, etc. इसमें आपने इन सब्जेक्ट्स को डिस्क्राइब करना है. एज यू नो, एडजेक्टिव्स आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. के मदर की प्रेजेंस कैसी थी, तमिल पंडित की प्रेजेंस कैसी थी, अपीयरेंस कैसी थी, एंड न्यू अराइवल मीन्स जो स्वामी का यंगर ब्रदर था उसकी अपीयरेंस कैसी थी. यू हैव टू राइट आंसर ऑफ these three parts as a homework. Clear? Do all these parts in your book if you have, otherwise note it down in your notebooks. Thank you.